One thing that's really important when you're building a website and it's got a ton of images on is adding alt text to those images. So alt text, if you're not familiar, is basically when screen readers go through a website for, well, if the image doesn't load or for visually impaired people, it will describe the image in its entirety. So as descriptive as possible. It also doubles up as an SEO tool on your website. You can put your keywords in there. So Squarespace recently rolled out it's bare bones for now, but it's very effective, their AI SEO tool. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can use that tool to add alt text into your images. So if we go onto the site here and we look at this image, we double click and we can see it's got no alt text whatsoever. However, you can just type away in here. Great. If you want to manually do that, perfect. You can manually check through the entire site. Okay, what's the file name? What's the alt text? But if you want a place that aggregates everything and that generates the alt text for you, then all you're going to do is hit settings, go down into marketing, and then SEO appearance. Now you can see the new tool here is going to alert us that 3 of 18 message. I keep messing this up. 3 out of 18 images are missing alt text. So all we have to do is click improve with AI. And you can see it's going to bring up all of the images here. So it's describing this as person with curly hair and hoop earrings looking upwards wearing a white tank top against a dark background. Now, if this is for, let's say, an acting class, and you really want to stuff that keyword in there, you can say in an acting class and hit save. If you're not happy, well, just regenerate. And you can do this for all or none or some. So, once you're happy, you can hit save. But if you're not, you can regenerate or simply edit like this. So this is a great way to bring all of the images without alt text under one, what would you even call it? One hub, I guess. And it takes the guesswork out of having to scan through everything. Oh, does this have alt text? What should I put in? It just generates it for you. So game-changing tool. You hit save and you're going to get this tick here saying that all images have alt text, meaning your website is accessible. And if you want to put those keywords in there, well, it's got improved SEO as well. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.